Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello friends, today in this video you will learn some points about Cisco Packet Tracer. Today is the introduction of Cisco Packet Tracer. First let me open Cisco Packet Tracer. What is Cisco Packet Tracer? Packet Tracer is a powerful network simulator that can be utilized in training for network certifications by allowing students to create networks with an almost unlimited number of devices and to experience troubleshooting without having to buy real Cisco routers or switches. The tool is created by Cisco Systems. The purpose of Packet Tracer is to offer students a tool to learn the principles of networking, as well as develop Cisco technology-specific skills. However, it is not be used as a replacement for routers or switches, and it can be downloaded for free. If you have a Netgate account, you can find the installation and downloading of the Cisco Packet Tracer in my video trainings, how we are downloading the Cisco Packet Tracer and how we install the Cisco Packet Tracer. This is the main workspace of Cisco Packet Tracer. This is the file menu. These are some options you will use, for example taking new file, open file, save file, print file. We have undo, redo buttons, we have zoom in, we have zoom out, and here we have some diagrams. We have some other options as well. This is the main category of Cisco Packet Tracer. Let me show you these devices. First category is network devices. Then each category have some subcategories. In network category we have routers, we have switches, we have hubs, wireless devices, security devices, and WAN emulations. Then we have end devices, and end devices we have end devices. The devices including in the subcategory are listed here. You can see. Let me show you all the devices from the first category. Okay, this is the network devices category. In this we have routers, and then we have these types of routers you can see. Then we have switches, and switches, these types of switches we have. In hubs we have these devices, and wireless devices we have these devices. Okay, then we have security devices. In security devices we have these two types of firewalls, and WAN emulation we have these things: PT Cloud, PTMT, DSL modem, cable modem. Then we are going to the end devices, and I'm selecting the subcategory of end devices. Then we have PC, laptop, server, some IP phones, tablets, smartphones, etc. In home we have these kind of devices. These devices are Internet of Things or IoT. And these are some other Internet of Things. You can check all the devices from here. Then we have components. In component we have these, you can check each of them. Then we have cables. In cables we have automatic cable. When you don't know about the cable, then you are selecting the automatic cable. We have console cable, straight through cable, crossover cable, fiber, phone, coaxial cable, serial DC, serial DT, octal, custom cable for Internet of Things, USB cables. All these things we have. Okay. These are some devices which are available in Cisco Packet Tracer. Let me take some devices. I am taking here 2911 router from here. I'm just click on it and drag it to the main workspace. I'm taking one switch here, switch from here 2960. I'm taking some end devices, 1 PC, 2 PC, 3 PC, taking some laptops. Okay, taking one server I'm putting here, and I want to connect these devices. If you don't know the type of cable, that what device to connect with other device, with type of cable you should use. If you don't know, then select automatic. From here I'm taking automatic. Click on the server, and connect to switch. By this way all the PCs and also connect the switch with the router. From I'm going to wireless devices. From here I'm taking a router, wireless home router for wireless devices. From end devices I'm taking tablet, smartphone. Okay, and connecting this router, wireless router, with the switch. And you can delete. If you want to delete some devices, select this option and delete. Okay, if you want to go to select, then you are clicking this select option, or you can press escape. These are redo, undo buttons: copy, cut, paste, save, new. You can zoom out, zoom in. These are some diagrams you can use. You can give name to each device. For example, here I am writing server PC0, for example. These are some other options you can use from here.